Hello everybody, welcome back to Kantan Food by Satoshi. Today is my dinner diary. Today's theme is ginger pork. Ginger pork is a very popular dish in Japan. Sometimes I cook it. Today, I will show you some tips. It become tender and tasty, and I will have some twist. The first ingredient is this onion. I'm using quarter of onion, the middle size, and slice a little bit thicker, like this, about 5mm width. Then saute this onion. So turn on the heat and pour a little bit oil in this frying pan. Then spread to all over the surface. Put this onion, sliced onion, into this frying pan. I don't use so much onion for pork ginger pork, because the main ingredient is pork. The onion is the accent. Of course, it's good accent. You can put much more onion inside, but sometimes we don't add any onion into pork ginger pork. This is optional. So saute not perfectly. I will cook later again after combined pork. So lightly, just before become translucent. Okay, this is enough. Turn off the heat. Why I sauteed this onion first? Because I want to cool this frying pan before cook pork meat. Next, I will make sauce with this my tool, Daiso tool, grinder. I will grind this ginger. About 1 stub or more, a little bit more. We love ginger so much. So I'm using 1 stub or a little bit more ginger. And I use skin too. I always say the ginger skin has a very nice aroma. I love ginger aroma. Okay. In the same tool, I will grind 1 clove of garlic. This is totally optional. You don't like garlic food, you don't have to use garlic. I love garlic so much, so I use garlic. Okay. This is a mixture of garlic and ginger. And here, 1 tablespoon of mirin, 1 tablespoon of sake, and half tablespoon of soy sauce. And this is today's original. I add miso, half tablespoon of miso, and dissolve and mix completely. Miso, soy sauce, ginger. Miso, soy sauce, ginger. The miso has a good flavor. It's fermented. It has umami, and it matches with this pork meat. Okay, this is my sauce. Set aside. So next I will prepare pork meat. Pork meat, when we grill or saute pork meat, it becomes hard. To prevent it, I cut this part a little bit, like a preparation of tonkatsu meat, like this. It's time consuming, but it helps. Today I am using 200 grams of pork. Okay, this is the last pork meat. By the way, this is a sliced pork. In Japan, it is very easy to get. Then let's cook pork meat. This frying pan is already not super hot. It become cool. You don't have to turn on the heat before put this pork meat inside. First, smear oil on the surface of this frying pan. I don't wash before I cook pork. So lay pork meat in this frying pan. Like this. Then turn on the heat. So the frying pan become warm gradually and this pork meat cooked gradually. It's good not to be cold. Okay, flip it over. Okay, it's no more pink. Then make a space and dump this sautéed onion I cooked and mix. Okay. It's good. It's good. Then pour the sauce I mixed, I made, and combine and distribute evenly. And turn on the heat. It's good. My pork ginger is ready. Let's place on the plate. So the shredded cabbage is the best friend of ginger pork ginger. I love this. I love pork ginger. I love shredded cabbage. I always eat this cabbage with tonkatsu sauce. Of course, you can use dressing you like. Then place pork. I love pork ginger. The smell is so nice. And I love onion too. So I use onion, but this is totally optional. Okay, ginger pork is ready. So my 生姜焼き is here. いただきます。This pork color is really appetizing. I like tap on the rice a little bit. This sauce taste is really good too. And the rice soak this sauce a little bit. It's good. いただきます。Very good ginger taste. Regularly, I only use soy sauce, but today I added miso. It's another taste profile. It's flavorful, and meat is tender, still tender, and matched with this onion flavor. Ginger is perfect, little bit garlicky. Please try this pork ginger. You will satisfy this dish. So thank you very much for watching my Kantan Food by Satoshi and Dinner Diary. What shall I make next? You gave me many requests. I will make some of them. Bye bye!